Richie Generator Guide. Today I'm going to share you with some of the amazing AI tools that you can use in 2024. These tools can help with your productivity, learning, education, and so much more. So first, let's talk about the powerful AI tool named Image OCR. The websites allow you to import an image and convert into an editable text. So first, you can go in Google and type in imageocr.com. After this, you can upload the image whichever you want. If you want to convert an image into text, so I have one image over here. It has text all over in it, and I want to extract the text. So, upload this image. And now, as you can see, the text has been extracted from here. You can copy paste if you want to paste in any document or etc. And even you can translate the text in another language. For example, you can translate in Arabic, Chinese, French, etc. So I will put an Arabic option and click on translate. So now you can copy paste this text that you have translated in any document. Now we'll move on to the second AI tool, which is Leonardo.ai. It has sketch to image options. We will explore that. First, you can type in Google Leonardo.ai. First, you can log into the website, and after that, you can click on the real-time canvas option. And here you can draw whatever you want, and the moment you will draw, it will convert into the real image. So let's draw over here. I want to make a ship in ocean. You can keep the brush size small, at 1 or 2, so that you can draw properly. And even you can write the prompt so that the AI would understand that what you want to achieve. If I wanted to add clouds at above, I will just draw over here like this. It's great, so that the attention of the clouds will be more, as you can see in this image. So the tool does not go to the specific, but still it is working good enough to achieve what we need. Let's see what happens if I design more in this ship. As I have included the lines, so at the right side you can see the design has been included there. So isn't that really cool? You can save this image and you can use it wherever you want. The third tool is Merlin. It can summarize any document or any website. It can provide you a concise information and the points, which can save you time. So at Google, you can type Merlin. And you can see the Merlin AI. You can just click to it. Get started for free. And there's a Chrome extension over here, so you can just add it to your Chrome. Add extension. And you can also add to Merlin by pressing Ctrl M in the keyboard. So if I want to search pollution, so as you can see, there's a lot of text over here. If you want to read it quickly and want a summary of it, you can click here at the icon. You can just click the option, give me a summary. So it will start generating the points for you. Now you can see the points above, and it has been clearly mentioned over here, the introduction, impact, global reach of population, everything has been mentioned so clearly over here. So you can use this and save your time. The next tool is Runway. It converts your images to videos, and you can write the prompt what actually you want to create in there. So let's go for it. You can type Runway in the Google. Here you can click on the website. Try Runway for free. I can drag and drop any image that I want to convert in a video. So I will upload a file and we'll include the prompt. Let's get started. It just takes a little bit of time to just snap. See over here, the man is dancing a little bit. As I've included the prompt, the man is dancing and singing at the same time. And download the video. The is all yours. There's another tool in Runway where you can change your image into motion images. Do you want to see it? Let's see. So first you can drag and drop the image what you want. This one that we had made, the ship in the ocean one. So here with this motion brush, you can select the area that you want to move. So for example, I want to move ocean and a little bit of ship. And so even I can adjust the vertical axis, horizontal axis, and we are just trying that what can happen with this. And we'll shift the text and generate. So here you can see it has been generated. So now you can see in this video that the ocean is moving and even the ship is moving a little bit. And you can download this. Isn't it great, right? So the next AI tool is HeyGen, where you can translate your video into any language. So let's get started. So first you can type HeyGen and visit over here. Get started for free. And you can go directly to the video translation over here. Translate video. Then you can paste URL, for example.
Vacation,
Holiday,
pickle,
American,
garbage,
rubbish,
sweater,
jumper,
restaurant,
blue,
process,
process,
After pasting the link, you can also click on the number of speakers. There are 2 speakers, different languages, English. So let's see how this video gets translated.
अवकाश,
छुट्टी का समय,
चार,
लेकिन
कचरा,
कचरा एक
स्वेटर, स्टोव, प्रक्रिया,
प्रक्रिया,
गोपनीयता, सूची,
अनुसूची,
नहीं
कर सकता, थोड़ा और कंडीशनर.
So you can translate any video and make your video diverse. So the next tool that I would be introducing you with is musicfly.lol. You can write musicfly.lol on Google. Here it is, you can click the first tab. So you can directly upload the audio or record the voice right now. So I would be recording right now. I want to convert my audio into an instrument, which is drums. So you can see how the audio has been converted into an instrument. You can play with it. That's it for the AI Tools 2024. And you can also subscribe to my channel JDG Journey to Guide and press the bell icon for other notifications. And I believe you can achieve your goals and dreams. Rishika Chaurasia signing off.